we have another unboxing. So this has come today, no idea what's in it, but it has my name on it. So let's see what it is. Oh, colourful. So these are cute. These are some samples sent to us by a potential supplier who wants to show us what they can do. So everything's all about eco now. So this, excuse my hair. So all of this is eco. It's cotton, 100% cotton, and it's lovely to put your fruit, your vegetables in, and works really well as an eco bag. And it is branded. It's very subtle, but it's branded inside, and they've sent me a few colours of different colours they can do. That's branded as well. Subtle branding, but the bags look fantastic. So again, this is just an example of something suppliers will send us just to make sure we're always seeing the newest things. It's another exciting package at Manic Merchandise.